Hi guys, welcome to the fourth episode of the Object Overload viewer voting. Last time, Teen Time was up for elimination. So, let's start. The people that are safe with 0 votes are Snowglobe, Top Hat, Casey, Dusty, Popcorn, Cherries, Television, Melanie, Picture, Lucky, and Tissue. The people that are safe with 1 vote are Globe and Clock. So now it's down to Candy and Crayon. I must say the votes are really close. But anyways, let's show the votes. Just show it already. So, Crayon's the last one safe with 2 votes, meaning that Candy's eliminated with 3 votes. Okay, so let's see which team's up for elimination. And the team up for elimination is Teen Time again. Oh, and I must say, on the Lego score brackets, I only put their names because of the smaller image. So, vote in the comments in the Lego score brackets for you think deserves to be eliminated. Whoever has the most votes will leave the show. And also, the voting ends in 2 days. Don't forget to make the voting spoilers.